Hello, my lovely followers. Well, this is not Twitter. Hello, my lovely subscribers. I apologize for not making a video in like 3 months. December, January, February, March. Yeah, like 3 months. Oh, I'm so sleepy. It's like 12. Um, but I actually don't have an excuse. But I really am sorry because I really love making videos and I've just been so busy. We're not busy. I just haven't had time, which is practically being busy. But hey, I have a story I want to tell you. Okay. This happened yesterday, which was Friday. Okay. So, Friday. We were sitting, and then this dude is like, he like pushed me. We were like at the pep rally, and he pushed me. And I'm like, dude, what the fuck? He's like, fuck, bitch. And I'm like, suck my dick. And everybody's like, oh. And then he goes, lick my pussy. And I'm like, and everybody's just like, and I was like, this bitch. He publicly humiliated himself all on his own. On his own. He acted like a dick, and then he said a stupid comment, which made him look like a freaking retard. And it was just the greatest day of my life. Greatest day of my life, honestly. Honestly. I honestly don't. Why do I say honestly all the time? Honestly, why do I honestly say that? Um, baby burp. I'm sure I have a big one because I drank some Monster and I had pizza today. Because I'm a fat bastard. I really am. Ah, dude, these suck. Hold on. I mean, my room looks so plain and simple, but it's really messy, so I just decided to put something that did not look messy. So that doesn't look messy at all. And I look sophisticated. Just kidding, you can see the mess all over here. Hold on. Why am I talking so much? Oh my gosh, okay. What? What? Hold on. I can do this! I know I still have it. This is so embarrassing. So embarrassing. I know it's right there. It wants to come out, but it just doesn't. And then when I turn the camera off, bam! I burp like a freaking hog. Do hogs burp? I don't know, but I burp really loud. Watch. I can't believe I haven't burped. It smells like pizza. That's so disgusting. Okay, that was better, right? Right? Gotta give me props. Gotta give me props. I know I still have another one. I do. I really, really. Why am I such a pig? Why? Why do I burp for people? Why? Maybe that's why I have. I don't know. I know I still have another one. I really do. I really, really do. And we know I have another one. This sucks. My hair looks so disgusting. Oh, I dyed my hair red! Just in case you didn't know. No, well, probably you noticed like since the beginning. Okay, good, good. Okay, I'm now proud of myself. That wasn't that good, but hey, it was something. So, um, I will make more obnoxious videos if you guys watch, and if you guys like, and if you guys comment. Which you don't have to, but it would be nice, you know. It's nice to get some feedback. And love you guys. Peace. No, wait, what was it? Okay, so this is my catchphrase, I guess. Okay. Peace, love, and lots of panda hugs. Ah! love pandas. Okay, bye guys. Love you. That was supposed to be attractive kiss, which was not. It was not. But hey, I tried. Don't judge me. Okay, bye.